Greetings and welcome back to my channel, travelers. How are you doing today? So in this video, we're going to discuss two of the first and primal forces of the world of Krynn. Those are, of course, Chaos and the High God. Now, not a lot is known about both of these forces, as they were there before time itself. People theorize that chaos is the physical manifestation of the void from which the High God has created the universe. We can't really call chaos a god, as he is far more powerful than that, and he represents disorder and destruction. Although Chaos's cycle of destruction was slowed when Riorex first struck his hammer to the anvil of time during the creation of the world of Krynn, Chaos's burning loathing to the world and the order that was created, and wanted to destroy everything that was and ever will be. In opposition to Chaos, there was the High God, the force that represents law and order and creation. Now, the High God himself did not create the world of Krynn, but he created the environment which the other gods that he summoned from the beyond, who can then work and create a material plane and the universe itself. Now, once Krynn was created, the High God withdrew himself from the world, placing the plans of creation in the book Tobril, which he later gives to the god Gillian. The High God did use two forces, the light and the dark, to create the bricks of creation. The High God has only been known to interfere in the affairs of the world twice. Once, during the All Saint Wars, the gods themselves used the living light and the living darkness as weapons to fight each other, and using these weapons was one of the reasons why the High God did intervene in those battles. And the second time, after Mina broke into the vault under the Tower of High Sorcery of Istar, the High God took all of the artifacts that the king priests had collected from all of the gods and hid them away so they won't fall into the wrong hands in the world, and that their immense power won't disturb the balance. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video about the High God and Chaos. May we meet again and have a lovely day.